ngazi ukuthi bakhona abantu yabona abasese yabona abasesena leyo grudge nyane ukuthi hayi lentwana leyo what but then into engidingayo leyo.
Does it surprise you how popular the song is now and the fact that people are dancing to it, making challenges and loving it?
I mean, I'm not surprised. I wouldn't lie. I'm not surprised because I knew what I was doing. The storyline salapaya si common, you know, to everyone. Sonke sike sashiwa some way somehow. Wamba nabante groovini or wherever. How now abantu sabayakushiya. Uyayibona imoto abanye sishwe transport sisebancane. Ukuthi malume nangu uyahamba manje uhamba ngani. So si common.
Yeah.
It's just that mina mina ngiyakhona understand ukuthi ayi wonke umuntu uzoyithanda into yenza. I understand. So ukuthi angifuna ukubabonisa ukuthi lento siyenza kanjani but mina kumele bahlale lapho bahlele khona because I need the negativity. I need ukuthi abantu bathi into yami yabheda. I need that. So that ikwazi ukuthi ihambe yabona. Lento le algorithm. Siya check ukuthi okay sharp mangathi abantu bazothi ngithi then segcina seyahamba because at the end of the day I knew ukuthi le quality. Ngikhuluma ngento abantu music akukhulunywa ngayo. Understand because I common. Kuziningi ingoma zakho enginokuzenza like storylines zakhona like si common wonke umuntu ke wago through leyo situation leyo. So noma ngiyenza mina ngicala kuhlanya mina ngiyi-1 kucala from e-studio ukuthi hayi kwahlanya mina echayini sengiyazi ukuthi hayi la seziyabuya because lento engiyifilayo ngiyazi ukuthi nalo uzoyifila if ikuyenzeka kuye. So angiculi ngento engayenzeki or engakazi yenzeke yabona. So umuntu nomuntu uzoyibamba uzothi hey yazi mara Scott makashaya into so ngaze ngikhumbula ethembisa inini yabona ukuthi sengikubambile sengicedile ngawo. So ukuthi ezinye izinto mhlambe angeke ngizikhulume ngaleyo ndlela leyo but